This video will discuss the benefits and side effects of garlic tea for diabetics to control their blood sugar. Garlic offers numerous health advantages. It is available in various forms, including paste, powder, oil, raw garlic, and supplements. Garlic can be consumed according to personal desire and taste. It can also be taken with warm water. If you have diabetes or high blood pressure, garlic tea is something you should try. You can make your own garlic tea that provides various health benefits. Adding honey and lemon to garlic tea is another option for making it a flavored drink. Spices like ginger and cinnamon can enhance the tea's health benefits and flavor. Garlic has a wide range of antibacterial and antiviral contents, making it an excellent addition to any diet. Garlic tea is a popular drink throughout the winter months. The immune system, metabolism, and general health are all boosted. Garlic tea is widely suggested for diabetics and persons with heart problems because of its anti-inflammatory properties. Benefits of garlic tea for diabetics. Homocysteine, an amino acid, is a major risk factor for diabetes, and garlic tea helps lower it. Drinking tea also helps to lower blood sugar levels. Garlic tea has antibiotic properties and reduces inflammation in the body, which is a side effect of diabetes. Vitamin C, which is found in garlic tea, aids in the health of the body's internal organs. By lowering cholesterol levels, garlic benefits cardiovascular health. How to make garlic tea. You may prepare garlic tea by boiling a cup of water with some crushed ginger, 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, and black pepper for 5 minutes, then straining the mixture. Tea is ready to drink while it's hot. You can add some cinnamon, lemon, and some honey. Is there any side effect of garlic tea? Garlic, like anything else, is only beneficial when consumed in moderation. Eating too much garlic might lead to health issues. Garlic overconsumption, especially in its raw form, has many drawbacks. Bad breath is one of those. Also, some people who are sensitive to garlic may have gas and bloating due to excessive garlic consumption. People who want to lower their blood sugar levels should consider garlic tea as a short-term solution. Garlic tea isn't the only way to prevent complications. Making other alterations to one's lifestyle is also necessary. As a diabetic, you should consume garlic tea in moderation, despite its many health benefits. Now you know the benefits of garlic tea for diabetes to maintain blood sugar under control. Don't forget to download our free ebook about this topic. Click the download link in the description below this video.